Evening, parents. Some of you were asking how to divide, and this has been a really tricky concept for the kids, so I wanted to do a video to show you what I've been teaching them in class on how to divide. So the first thing we do is follow steps. The students know the steps are does McDonald's sell or serve cheeseburgers, and the D stands for divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down, and when needed to, we start all over again. Okay, so they know that 78 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, and we are looking for a quotient. The answer to a division problem is a quotient. So when we have whatever our divisor is, we're going to write the multiples of the divisor. So 3 is our divisor, so we're going to write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. These are what we use to help us with dividing, because the students know that division is the opposite of multiplication. So the first thing that we're going to do is divide. Step 1 is divide. So I'm going to divide my tens. I told them that when you have 2 digits, we're going to take it in smaller chunks. Instead of a whole big cake, we're going to cut the cake in smaller pieces. So this is just like cutting the cake in smaller pieces. We're going to start with the tens place. So 7 divided by 3. We'll look over here and see if we can find the number 7. We cannot. However, I see that 3 can go into 7 at least 2 times. It cannot go a third time because 9 is greater than 7. So I'm going to put 2. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. So I've divided. Next, I'm going to multiply. 2 times 3 equals 1, 2 is 6. So I'm going to write my 6 here. I've multiplied, so then I subtract. 7 take away 6 is 1. And then I'm going to check. Is my answer 1 less than my divisor, which is 3? 1 is less than 3. I can check that off, and then I'm going to bring down my 8. So now I'm dividing 18 divided by 3. So I'm going to start all over again because I still have a number left down here, which means that I need to start from the beginning. I'm going to divide again. 18 divided by 3. I look at my list and I see 18. So I'm going to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 goes into 18 6 times. I've divided. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Multiply. 6 times 3 equals 18. All right, my answer here. And then I subtract. 18 take away 18 take away 18 is 0. So I've subtracted. Now I'm going to check. Is 0 less than my divisor, which is 3? 0 is less than 3. I've checked that out. Is there anything left to bring down? No. So I don't have to bring anything down. So now 78 divided by 3 equals 26. In order for the students to check their work, I've taught them that since division is the opposite of multiplication, they can divide the quotient by the divisor and see if they come up with the dividend. So 26 times 3.
So they can multiply the quotient.
Yes, did I say divide?
Yes.
I'm sorry. So you can multiply the quotient, multiply it times 3, times the divisor. So 26 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and I get the correct answer here, the same as this. Therefore, my quotient is 26. Everything checks out. If you have any questions or concerns, or if I went too fast, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you in detail. But if you could please practice with the students, because this is one of the things that is going to be very difficult for them. But as they go into the higher grades, the numbers get bigger. So if they can get the basics down, then they will actually be successful. Thank you.